Hi beauties and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing what is new at Halara in September.
Thank you so much to Halara for sponsoring this video. I will be giving my honest opinions on all these pieces, but I wanted to mention some sales that are going on right now. September 10th is Halara Day, so if you spend $69 or more, you can get a free pair of pants. And they're also having special offers on work pants from September 4th to the 14th.
I also have a discount code, it's Randy15. Don't forget to enter that at checkout for 15% off. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Let's go ahead and open her up. So since this is a fall haul, we will be going over lots of transitional outfits. So this is going to be very pant heavy, lots of different types of pants from Halara. And I tried to get one in I feel like every category. And I also have lots of long sleeves and jacket type wear from Halara, so this is going to be an exciting haul. I'm so excited for fall clothes. So to get started, we're going to start with the pants and then we're going to get to the tops. The first item we're going to try on is a pair of Halara's denim. Halara's denim is very stretchy. It's not that typical rough, heavy denim. They have lots of pants without buttons, but I prefer the ones with the buttons, and they also have that. So this kind of looks like a regular pair of jeans. Okay, wow, these jeans fit so nice. I forgot to tell you my size. I'm a size extra small in Halara, and I'm 5'2" and about 115 pounds. My jean size is usually a 2 or a 25-26, depending. These just fit so cozy. I love how the fabric is nice and stretchy. Their fabrics are so comfortable, even if it's a form-fitting outfit or piece. It makes you just want to move. I don't know if you've ever tried having a photo shoot or being comfortable or going to a meal or doing really anything in tight denim jeans. You don't feel comfortable doing this, you know? It's not staying here in this position would get real tight. I feel like my outfit photos even come out better in Halara clothes because they make you want to move, and motion in photos is always the best pictures. It's like you can literally do anything. These are so comfortable, and I love how they're not skinny jeans and they're just super casual. You could probably style them up or down. And it has a button and a zipper just like normal jeans and belt loops. I freaking love these. These are definitely going to be a wintertime staple. These are more of a formal stretchy pant. They also have some buttoning down the front. They have 2 pockets in the front and 2 in the back. They're super stretchy. I don't know, I just figured these would be fun for styling up, down, whatever you want to do. Okay, seriously, stop it right now. As a petite girl who has searched for formal work pants my whole entire life, I have been in 9-to-5 jobs on and off my entire life, and I have constantly been trying to find petite, well-fitting work pants that also have pockets. And I'm sorry, but when you're 5'2", it's nearly impossible. And to top it all off, these are super cozy and stretchy. I used to have to buy these really expensive work pants because they were the only ones that would fit me. And I remember the pockets on the front and the back were both sewn. And so I had to cut them to actually be able to access them. And even then they were super small and just not useful. And the material was very thick and uncomfortable versus these. It's I used to work an office job that was very hands-on. I'd have to move a lot, squat a lot, do a lot of activity on top of just sitting at a desk. If you have a very active 9-to-5 job where you have to look formal, but also be comfortable enough to move around. These are the type of work pants that make you want to move. I don't even think I've shown the back yet. Oh my god. By the way, I am wearing a thong today for this try-on haul, which I know I've worn my bigger period underwear in the past so that you can see if you need to wear a thong or not. But I'm just going to go ahead and estimate because I pretty much know you'll probably need a thong in these pants because it will show a panty line. Probably with the jeans as well since they're such a thin, flexible fabric. I can't get over! These pants fit so nice! The next item we have to try on are these corduroy brown pants. Would it really be a transitional haul if we didn't include a lot of corduroy? I thought brown was a very pretty neutral color that would go with a lot and would be perfect for fall and winter. These also have a button and zipper detail like the other ones, but these only have pockets in the front. But wow, they're quite deep. But that way your butt will look nice and smooth in the corduroy. Let's try them on. Okay, so these are super comfortable and super cute. I think these are supposed to be more low-rise because I don't know, I feel like this is a lot of extra fabric when it's kind of up in that mid to high-rise area. Like that just feels kind of big. Overall, these pants are a lot more loose than the other one. They're probably meant to be this loose because they're very casual, cozy corduroy, very fall. I love it. These feel like teddy bear pants. They're so soft and I love the button detail. I love the pockets in the front. I feel like you can just like really dig into them, you know? And it doesn't feel like I would be so comfortable in these, especially if I'm about to eat Thanksgiving dinner. Bam. Fall photo shoot. Do you need to squat in the leaves? Done. Let's take a look from behind without the pockets. Very loose, very cute. Okay, so we're on to our last pair of pants. These are also their stretchy denim material, but it is a colored denim. Once again, it has the button and zipper detail. I just prefer that. I don't know what it is. These do have usable pockets in the front and fake pockets in the back. So these are sewn shut so that you don't have that bulk on your butt if you were to put something in it. And of course, I had to get them in the muted green color because you know this is like my color obsession, and I don't have a denim in this color, I don't think. I did get a pair of pants that were a similar color from Halara, but they kind of cinched on the bottom. They're in one of my previous videos, I think my last video, maybe. But let's put these on. Okay, how are these pants all like mega flattering? Like, I'm obsessed with the color. I'm obsessed with these tiny little pockets. I love how the fabric is kind of loose and it makes you look very slim. The butt is also very cute. I love it. Very flattering. And once again, Halara's clothes feel so comfortable. I literally feel like I could win a squat competition in these right now. Like, no tightness, no discomfort. I just feel good, you know? I don't know if those were proper squats, don't come at me, but I am honestly just so obsessed with the fit and the color of these jeans. Another staple. Okay, so now it's time to move on to the tops. I am so excited for this top. It's basically like a workout top, but it has style. Like, it is so cute. It kind of cuts open in your belly here. And not only am I so excited to wear this just in general as regular clothes, but I'm also really excited because it's Halara, so it can also be used to work out in, and that's kind of like what it feels like it's meant for. So on winter jogs, or if I'm going to a winter yoga class or something, I can look super cute yet be comfortable and not cold. So let's try her on. Stop it right now. My jaw just hit the floor the second I saw this. So it has these cute little thumb holes, and let's do the weightlifting test. So say we're lifting weights above our head. Well, guess what? You can still move freely. You don't have to worry about flashing anyone. I feel very secure. I don't feel like I'm coming out. This top is too good. Like, can we just take a moment for her? Just appreciate whoever designed this. Like, thank you. It has the built-in bra, which I love about Halara, so you don't have to worry about finding a bra to match your super cute top. Because imagine trying to find a bra with this. Absolutely not. I don't want to be that person, but I don't have to. The back is nice and covered so that way, you know, you're not getting any chills because this is a winter top. Save all the chills for the front. Oh my gosh. The jeans and this top even look just great together. Like, this is just so cute. Ah! I am so excited. I'm like ready to go out now. Hello world. And like, let's take the thumb holes out just in case you're not working out and you're trying to make this look more day to day. You could even fold these sleeves if you wanted to like hide the hole, but this is it normally with no thumb holes. I am so obsessed. It just amazes me how every single item that I try on from Halara fits so nice. I don't know if you've ever walked into just a typical store Honestly, just about any clothing store, if you get like 5 to 10 items and try them on in the dressing room, is it just me, or is it like at least a few of those items fit not even close to how you would think they would, and not in a good way? But I've never had that experience with Halara. Every single time I put their clothes on, I'm always shook at how well it fits, even if it's an item that I'm very questionable about, because I'm very particular with what I select. I want to make sure that I'm going to be comfortable, it's not going to be complicated to wear, I'm not going to be like messing with it or feeling like I have to pull stuff or, you know, all that type of stuff. But I swear, every time I'm always so impressed. Their stuff always fits perfect. Always. Like I said, would it be a transitional fall haul if we didn't include a lot of corduroy? September isn't quite when you're trying to pull out your oranges and browns and all of the fall colors, but at the same time you're trying to transition from the fun, bright, summery colors to more neutral tones. So let's try this pretty blue on. Okay, so maybe it doesn't necessarily go perfectly with this top, but it is still so cute and so cozy. I love how thin it is, so you can really layer with it. It's literally just a layer of corduroy fabric, so it's not super thick, so you won't get so hot when you're transitioning, but it's just enough to keep you warm on a chilly day. The buttons are actual buttons. They're not snapping buttons. They kind of go into the fabric. Does that make sense? They go through. Regular button. It's a regular button. I probably won't ever use the button since it's kind of cropped. I kind of like the idea of it just being open. And I love how it has elastic at the bottom, so it kind of scrunches in, so it kind of ties in that waist. This is it from the back. Super cute and cozy. I just love this for fall. This is so exciting. I'm so excited to wear this. Next, this is just a basic ribbed black top, and it's got buttons all down the front. I just thought this would be a very good staple just to throw on when you want to wear something basic. Okay, so this one's actually kind of different than I expected. It's funny because I was just saying how when I try on their stuff, it usually fits nicer than I expected. And this, I was literally just expecting this to fit like a normal top, but I almost want to call this a collarbone shirt because the shoulders on this are very minimal. Like, it has about an inch of fabric just over the shoulder so that you're not like sliding out of it, so it's not sliding off the side of your shoulder, but it is exposing like my entire collarbone. Like, I can feel the edge of my collarbone right here. Like, it shows the entire collarbone in like such an aesthetic way, and I don't feel like my top is falling off. However, this top did not come with a built-in bra. So originally I was like, oh, I might need a bra. But if I were to try to wear a bra with this, straps would show. So if you're using this to work out, I would definitely recommend layering it with a sports bra. And you can kind of get that like dancer look. I don't know if you've ever seen that layered like dancer look where they have their sports bra and then like the shoulder type tops. Is it just me that has that in my head? But I would definitely recommend layering that. But otherwise, I feel like it hides enough of your boob to where you can go braless. But this is what the back looks like. It's just a very basic plain t-shirt back. I just feel like the front is just so casual yet pretty at the same time and unique. As I never see buttons going down all the way on a shirt like this. Usually it's very plain and there's no buttons, or maybe there might be one at the top. So that's something very unique. And like I said, the collarbone cut. I am just so incredibly into that. Like, I don't know if you can see the collarbone. So flattering, I am obsessed. Which leads us to our very last item. I don't know if you guys have seen these around, but they're super in style. They're kind of a shirt slash jacket, and it's corduroy. And I have been wanting one in a cream color for so long. I just have never gotten one, but I just figured it's time. This is also one of those items that I probably wouldn't button, but it does have functional little buttons if you want to button part of it or all of it. This also definitely does not go with this top because of the button clashing. I feel like it's just a little distracting to have buttons going all down this and buttons on this. This would go better with just a plain tank underneath or plain shirt. But it's perfect to kind of just accessorize over your fall stuff and look layering and cute and cozy. Like, so perfect. And like, if you're not trying to get the cardigan vibe, but you're still trying to be warm and fall and cozy, like, this is just so cute. And from the back, this is just so freaking comfortable. I just feel Feels so cozy in fall. Thank you guys so much for joining me on today's Halara unboxing haul. Don't forget, if you're planning on placing a Halara order, use my code RANDY15 at checkout for 15% off. And don't forget, if you liked today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you haven't found me on Instagram, go ahead and find me on there. And with that, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.